Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve a multi-step equation with a TI-84 plus C calculator. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example right here. Okay, so they ask you to solve an equation. The left hand side should be 1.25 times 4x minus 10, and the right hand side should be 7.5. Now you need to break it down into two equations. Okay, so look, you need to hit y equal, okay, y1, you hit the left hand side right here, so it should be 1.25 parentheses 4x minus 10. Okay, and then you hit close parentheses. When you hit subtraction side, this is subtraction side right here, and this is the negative side, so you need to be careful. Okay, now y2 should be the right hand side, so it should be 7.5. Okay, now next step, you need to adjust the window so that the graph show up. Okay, so adjust the window. The best window range should be -10. For the minimum S value should be -10. The maximum for S value should be 10. The scale for S axis should be 1. The Y minimum should be -10. The maximum for Y value should be 10. The scale should be 1. Okay, now after you adjust the window range, you just hit graph right here, graph. Okay, so after you hit graph, you will see that two lines intersect. Okay, two lines intersect at a point right here. This is your solution. Okay, so you hit second trace. Okay, now you hit number 5. This is intersect number 5. Hit number 5. Now what you need to do is to hit enter 3 times. Okay, hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then your cursors go to the intersection right here, and your solution should be s equal 4. Okay, so s equal 4. I put s equal 4 right here. This is your solution. All right, so move on to the second one. Now the second one, the left and the right here. Okay, so I hit y equal again. All right, so I clear this one. The left hand side should be -7. Now negative side is the side in front of one number. Okay, in front of one number. All right, so I hit -7 parentheses 1 plus 9 x close parentheses. Now the right hand side should be y2. Y2 should be 7 parentheses -4 x minus 1. Now, in this situation, I hit minus because the subtraction side is the side that connect two terms. Okay, so you need to be careful. Okay, all right, so I need to adjust the window. Oh, my window range should be good right here. Okay, so I don't need to adjust this, so I just hit graph. Okay, all right, now I hit graph. I see that. Okay, see two graphs like this. Now what I need to do is I need to hit second trace. Okay, now hit number 5 again. This intersection. Okay, number 5. Now you need to hit enter 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the intersection right here, s equals 0. That is your solution. Okay, so second one, s equals 0. All right, that's your solution. All right, now move on to number 3. Same thing. Okay, hit y equal, the left hand side should be 10x plus 2. The right hand side should be y2. You hit -2 parentheses 1 minus 7x close parentheses minus 4 open parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses. All right, and then you just adjust the window, and it should be this. This is a very good window range. Okay, so now you hit graph. All right, and you see that two lines overlapping. two lines overlapping, which means there's infinitely many solutions. Okay, so it can be all real number. Okay, so solution right here should be real number. Okay, now the last one, number 4. Again, hit y equal, the left side should be 3 times 10 minus 4x, close parenthesis, the bottom one. Oh, so the top should be minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Okay, now the bottom should be, I need to clear this one, 8 minus 4 parenthesis, negative 3x minus 10, close parenthesis. Okay, now I hit graph. All right, and then look, two lines intersect at a point above right here. Okay, so I need to adjust the window to see that points. Okay, so that is y maximum, right? Maximum I need to put like 20. Okay, to see what happens. Oh, it's still right here. Okay, so I need to extend a little bit more. Okay, so window max y maximum right here, I put 50 to see what happens. 50, right? Oh, it's right here. Okay, now I need to adjust and I need to hit second trace, number 5. All right, now I need to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Solution x equal -1. Okay, all right, so x equal -1, x equal -1. All right, now the last problem, problem number 5 right here. Okay, so you hit y equal -3 parenthesis 10 minus 4x, close parenthesis, minus 6. Alright, the bottom similar, same thing right here. Okay, alright, so you hit graph. Alright, you see that two line parallel. You see that two line parallel. So if two line parallel, which means they have no intersection point. Okay, in other words, there is no solution. Okay, so you put right here, it should be no solution. Alright, and that's it. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.